welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to unbox something very expensive, as you have already read in the title. This is going to be something that I have bought for my birthday with my own money. So okay, first thing first, I will unbox this, but this time I want you guys to like and subscribe and watch till the end. I don't usually ask for subscribers because I just do it as a hobby, but this time I'm using something of my money. So let's get this started. Okay, so here here we have this box. This might not seem very big, but it is in fact. Look at this. Okay, so first, hiding all the things that I should hide. Actually, this is a manga, which means a comic book, and a very expensive one. So here we have it. There you have it. Look at that, guys. This is, don't you think this is amazing? And this is very heavy, I'm telling you. Okay, so take a look at this box aside. Okay, here we have this Death Note all-in-one edition. So mangas actually are comic books that start from the left to right, and this is right to left. I don't know. I forgot. This is actually a replacement order. First time they sent me something which a box was torn up very badly, the box, and I had to replace it. This time this is in pristine condition. You can look at how amazing this is. So this is heavy because this is not one manga, not one volume, not one book, but instead it's 13 or 12 of them combined. 13 means an extra bonus chapter. Look at this, look at the artwork, guys. This is one of the most famous comics and animes of the something, whatever. Okay, so I will unbox this. Look at this pristine packaging. Amazing, man. Also watch till the end and subscribe because this is going to be crazy. Oh, and also guys, I got something with this which I didn't got last time. They actually last time got in a very bad packaging, and that was horrible. Okay, I got this bookmark, QR code. Okay, let's move on to the unwrapping. Here we have the most lethal weapon in history, the scissors, everyone's favorite. Okay, let's cut it off. Okay, I'll cut it off camera so it doesn't give out any scratches. Okay, everyone, so I did this method to not actually harm the box itself, because this is amazing. You guys might think, okay, Akif, that's all right, but whatever. But this is very precious for me. Look at you. So let's move on with the book itself. I'm actually trying my best to take it out, and this is very hard to. So there you have it, guys, the Holy Bible, which means the death row. So this is actually in very pristine condition. This doesn't always happen with Amazon when you ship it from there. This is the box, nothing from the inside. At least they should have given a wallpaper. This is very rare because last time I got a torn up box and damaged book. This is completely pristine. This is actually 12 books combined. Look at this. Okay, this is a little but this is actually fine. Okay, this is not fine, this is amazing. So here is the book, Death Note Ryuk here. Okay, this focus is very trash. I cannot pick up with one hand. Let me rest the camera. So here, yes guys, look at this amazing thing. The thickness of this book, I should not damage it anywhere. Okay, there is a little bit of like water damage, but no, that's actually really fine because the box this is like this. It's actually a little different from the other one for some reason, because it is a little and a little shorter than the other one too. I don't know what happened with that. So here is the logo. This is completely original. Let me show the inside of it without damaging it. Of course, this should be hard to read. Okay, so here we have it. The book itself is in very good condition and it is very small. Here we have the boy Matsuda and L. Okay, these are the pages. I'm going to I don't know when I'm going to read it. Look at the spine. I'm not trying to damage the spine, but it is very strong as I've heard. There is the pages are a little different from the other one, and it is actually smaller from the other one for some reason. But if it's in pristine condition, amazing condition, crystal clear, guys, then I have no problem, because this is treasure. This is treasure. It's actually a little curved from the inside too for some reason. Okay, I don't want to damage it too much. Here we have it. Okay, this is actually 12 volumes of Death Note, worth a lot in just one. So we'll keep it here. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed my unboxing. We can keep it straight up because how thick it is just like the Bible. But this one is actually for some reason smaller than the other one that I got, which was had a torn up box and the damaged book. Okay, this is something suspicious, but and enough for reading it. Okay, so here it is for you all. So hope you guys liked my video. I spent so much for this and I worked actually hard for this. You can see the box too and all the stuff I got. Okay, so here we have it. Make sure you guys subscribe for all my hard work and everything. This is going to be a big problem for me. I need to reach 600 subscribers. This is actually a help seeking. I haven't uploaded for months. So I hope you guys like the video. If you didn't like, you can dislike, no problem. But most probably subscribe for no reason. Don't need to watch my videos, but subscribe. Okay, see you guys in the next episode of Love Island. Bye guys. Fall guys. Also, I forgot to mention that this has comical pages and very thin. This is actually the problem is it's really small. How will I read the text? I think I'll complain it, but I won't return it again. This is smaller than a usual manga you get, like really small. Look at from here. This is smaller than the normal size. This is just like only a Bible you got. Okay, bye.